Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about other solvents and lubes. Now, I know just a little while ago, about 10, 11 days ago, I was talking about actually, let me take a look here. It was on the 30th, I was talking about cleaners and soaps and cleaners. And then the next day, I was talking about motor oils and fluids. Well, on the motor oils and fluids, another channel, a good channel, Modern Refugee, mentioned, and I got his comment up here, oils, filters, all fluids, spark plugs, especially for generators, and things like WD-40, break free, power blast. All right, so those last three made me think about something. All right, yeah, you need other cleaners that aren't soap or other cleaners, and fluids or lubricants for things. WD-40 is a water displacing fluid, lubricant, and break free, also break free CLP, which is cleaner, lubricant, protectant, is used on a lot of firearms and stuff like that, and other tools as well, where you need a multi-type protectant on it. So today I want to talk to you about other solvents and lubricants, and I've already mentioned WD-40, break free, power blast, and let me check my notes over here. Liquid wrench, CRC, 5.3 is an electronic contact cleaner. So there's a lot of other cleaners, solvents, and lubricants to be used on a myriad of other things. So you got, electrical, firearms, air tools. There's a lot of other things. So if you have any of these things, start thinking about, okay, wait, what else do I need to keep these tools working? Whether it's a defensive tool, an air tool, a manual tool, whatever it is, to keep them working in proper order. So that's one of the things I want to touch on, and I really want to thank Modern Refugee for making me think about this, because I have all the stuff out there in my shop. I got a cabinet full of stuff. And so I generally don't think about it, because when I start to use one, I got 2 or 3 more there. But when I use one, I go replace it. So it's not really one of the things at the forefront of my mind, because I have several years worth of solvents and cleaners out there and lubricants. So this is for those of you that don't have a lot of stuff, but need to have something there to take care of your tools and other things that need lubricants. So also, I want to tack back on to the motor oils and fluids. I mentioned about lubricating U-joints and ball joints and stuff like that. You need to have a grease gun for that. So if you don't have a grease gun, that's one of those ones where you put the tube of grease in it and you pump the grease out the end, and it can be either a solid tube or a flexible tube that goes onto the zert fitting. So if you don't have one, and you see zert fittings on some of your equipment, and you don't have a grease gun, you need to get a grease gun. All righty. So with that, stay safe, stay happy, keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, clothing, solvents, cleaners, lubricants, everything you might need to keep your equipment up and running so you can stay happy and safe. Why? Well, this is why.